Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Let's go finding Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Hey, who it is? Wow. Oh, it's Fillmore. Wow, who it is? Wow, it's Mattel.
Huh. Well, that's weird.
Ah!
Wow. Oh, it's Flo.
I never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's Boost. Wow, racing cars. Wow.
I tell you, don't.
Oh no! Oh, maybe he can help me! He's shooting at me! Why is he shooting at me?
I haven't done this fast in years.
Police car. Sheriff. Wow, holy ship well. Oh, hey, it's Jackson Storm.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right? Great race today.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. McQueen. You have no idea what a pleasure it is for me to finally beat you.
Oh, thanks. Wait, hang on, did you say meet or beat?
I think you heard me.
What?
Storm, can we get some pictures?
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures because Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years, right?
Wow, Hudson Hornet. Wow, it's Sally. Oh, it's my Axlerod.
What? Me? You got to be crazy.
Wow, racing car. Wow, very cool.
We got ourselves a nodder.
Pretty music.
Wow, racing car. Wow, who it is? Wow, LightningMcQueen.
Speed. I am speed. One winner, 42 losers. I'm faster than...
Wow, more racing car. Wow, Dinoco King.
Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement.
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last piston?
Wow, it's Ramon.
Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Wow, LightningMcQueen. Yeah. Fabulous Hudson Hornet.
It's just an empty cup.
Wow, yellow LightningMcQueen.